welcome back to What a Hit Hockey Cards, and today we are opening a blaster box from 2018-2019 SP Hockey. Last video I opened 1920 SP Hockey. I won't spoil anything, but definitely check it out. I got exactly what I was looking for, so make sure to check that out. But let's get right into this one. So it's a similar concept for 2018-19. You're looking for an autograph, a jersey, or a numbered card. For this one, I'm looking for an auto. I've opened, I believe, 6 boxes of SP Hockey. I have not pulled one autograph, so that's what I'm looking for today. Obviously, Pettersson, he's the one to look for. The best of the rookies, I would say, out of this crop, but you also got Andrei Svechnikov, Rasmus Dahlin. This is a decent rookie crop. I wouldn't say as strong as 2019-2020, but still pretty good. I got this for about $40. This was a bit cheaper than 2019-20, I think, because the rookie crop isn't as strong, but there's still some solid names. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Okay, first pack. We've got a John Tavares blue. And an SP Rookie Authentics, Michael Rasmussen. Okay. So yeah, like last video, the blue parallels are pretty common among these sets. I think you get one per pack, and then the hits are mixed in as well with those. All right, next pack, here we go. We got a Philip Forsberg blue. And an SP Rookie Authentics, Dylan Sikura. Former Northeastern Husky right there. I'm not sure where he is right now. I don't think he's still with the Blackhawks. Okay, and more base. All right, a bit of a slow start here, but that's fine. Okay. You got a blue John Gibson. And an SP Rookie Authentic, Sam Steele. I'm not sure what his deal is. I think he's still with the Ducks. I don't know how good he's doing. He was a pretty highly touted prospect. Hasn't really done much with the Ducks yet, but I mean, the Ducks are the Ducks, so everyone's kind of struggling right now. Okay, still looking for a hit. Let's see what we got here. Okay. SP Rookie Authentics, Carter Hart. Sid the Kid right there. He's my PC. I collect Sid, so I'll shout him out whenever I see him. All right, halfway through, still nothing yet. The anticipation builds. All right, looks like we might have something here. Okay. Oh, no, just the Longo. Luongo blue. And a Jonathan Quick authentic profiles. He is having a renaissance year with the Rangers. I believe he was top 5 or top 10 among goalies in save percentage. Like, he was doing really well with them. He was doing better than Shesterkin for a while. He might still be, but Jonathan Quick for you. UMass guy. Let's put that over here. All right. Okay. Let's hope this anticipation builds into something memorable. Let's get an auto here. I have not opened an auto yet. I would really like one. Sticker autos, but still, I think those are cool. All right, let's go. Blue, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Rookie Authentics, Jesperi Kotkaniemi on the Hurricanes now. He was part of the old Carolina Hurricanes, Montreal Canadiens offer sheet rivalry. All right, oh, we got something here. Numbered card of Miro Heiskanen, Rookie Authentics. You got number 443 of 1199. All right, this is a good pull. Heiskanen is a really solid defenseman. Top 3 pick. I believe he's hurt right now, but he's going to come back and help a really good Stars team for the stretch run here. Okay, so not a terrible pull. Hopefully we get something else, but I can live with the Miro Heiskanen numbered card. And we got 2 packs left. Come on, auto. Come on, auto. All right. Okay. You got a Duncan Keith blue and a Rookie Authentics Noah Juleson. I believe he was a pretty high pick. I don't think he ever turned into much. So yeah, Noah Juleson. Okay. Last pack, folks. Let's hope we get something good. We got 1 numbered card so far. Okay. Guinea Malkin blue. You got Rookie Authentics Michael Dalcole. Use another high draft pick that didn't work out. Yep, all right, that was it. So our 1 hit, Miro Heiskanen, Rookie Authentics, numbered to 1199. Okay, there we go. Looking for Pettersson, but I'll take Miro Heiskanen. Thanks for watching, folks. Leave a comment below. Who do you think the best rookie out of this 18-19 class is? I would say Pettersson, just because he put up 100-something points last season, and he's looking really good again this year. But what do you think? Let me know. Okay, thanks for watching.